the array name as pointers. An array name without brackets is a pointer to the array's first element. Thus, if a programmer has declared an array data, open close bracket, data is the address of the first array element. For example, the following code initializes the pointer variable p_array with the address of the first element of array, open close bracket. Arrays and pointers. p_array is a pointer variable. It can be modified to point elsewhere. Unlike array, p_array isn't locked into pointing at the first element of array, open close bracket. Example, it could be pointed at other elements of array, open close bracket. Pointer pointing to the array of elements. Array and pointer are backbones of the C programming language. Pointer and array both are closely related. Array name without subscript points to first element in an array. Example, one-dimensional array. int a open bracket 10 close bracket semicolon. Here a, open bracket 0 close bracket both are identical. Example, two-dimensional array. int a open bracket 10 close bracket open bracket 10 close bracket semicolon. Here a, open bracket 0 close bracket open bracket 0 close bracket both are identical. Let x is an array, I is subscript variable. X open bracket I close bracket is equal to asterisk open bracket x plus I close bracket is equal to asterisk open bracket I plus x close bracket is equal to I open bracket x close bracket. Proof of the above formula. For the first element of array I is equal to 0, x open close bracket 0 is equal to asterisk open bracket x plus 0 close bracket is equal to asterisk x. The first element of array is equivalent to asterisk x. Thus, asterisk x plus I will give us value of ith element. An array without brackets is a pointer to the array's first element. Therefore, one can access the first array element using the indirection operator. If array open close bracket is a declared array, the expression asterisk array is the array's first element, asterisk open bracket array plus 1 close bracket is the array's second element, and so on. This illustrates the equivalence of array subscript notation and array pointer notation. If one can generalize for the entire array, the following relationships hold true. Example program for arrays and pointers. Output. Example program for array subscript notation and pointers. Output. Strings and pointers. To allocate and initialize a string is to declare an array of type char as follows. Char message open close bracket is equal to this is the message semicolon. One could accomplish the same thing by declaring a pointer to type char semicolon. Char asterisk message is equal to this is the message semicolon. Example for strings and pointers program. Output. arrays of pointers to type char. The following statement declares an array of 10 pointers to type char asterisk message open bracket 10 close bracket 10 semicolon. Each element of the array message open close bracket is an individual pointer to type char. One can contribute the declaration with initialization and allocation of storage space for the strings. char asterisk message open bracket 10 close bracket is equal to open bracket 1, 2, 3 close bracket semicolon. This declaration does the following. It allocates a 10-element array named message. Each element of message is a pointer to type char. It allocates space somewhere in memory and stores the 3 initialization strings, each with a terminating null character. It initializes message open bracket 0 close bracket to point to the first character of the string open quote 1 close quote, message open bracket 1 close bracket to point to the first character of the string open quote 2 close quote, and message open bracket 2 close bracket to point to the first character of the string open quote 3 close quote. Array of pointers. Step 1. Array of function. int open bracket asterisk arr open bracket 3 close bracket open close bracket semicolon. Above statement tells that arr is an array of size 3. Array stores address of functions. Array stores address of function having integer as return type and does not take any parameter. Step 2. Declaring array of function pointer. int open bracket asterisk ptr close bracket open bracket 3 close bracket 3 open close bracket semicolon. It is an array of function pointer which points to array of function. Step 3. Store function names inside function array. arr open bracket 0 close bracket is equal to display semicolon. arr open bracket 1 close bracket is equal to getch semicolon. Step 4. Store address of function array to function pointer. ptr is equal to and arr semicolon. Step 5. Calling function. Following syntax is used to call display function colon open bracket asterisk ptr close bracket open close bracket semicolon. This syntax is used to getch function colon y open bracket asterisk ptr plus 1 close bracket open close bracket semicolon.